Guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a quick drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Frog, because yes you can draw a frog, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using a dry erase board and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using a dry erase marker. If you have those things and you're ready to get started, so am I, and let's turn to the board. The first thing that you're going to do in the middle of your paper is you're going to draw an oval. Let me get that all the way on there. This is going to be your frog's head. You got your oval? The next step is you're going to draw a big circle underneath. This is going to be your frog's body. And again, you can draw that as big or as small as you want. This is your frog. At the top of our oval, we're going to draw two big circles. Now, we're going to erase the middle of those because there should be a line kind of going through them, and then give yourself some pupils. You see how they're on top of his head? That's how frog eyes are. Then, just to make this part easy, I'm going to turn my board on its side, and for its mouth, I'm going to draw a capital D. Because when I turn it right side up, you can see that makes it look like I have a smiley little frog. Oop, I erased him. And I do, because I have a very smiley frog. From his mouth, you're going to draw two straight lines with a upside down V inside, because the tongue has a little V in the middle. Then we got to get some legs on here. So we're going to make the legs the easiest way possible, but you're going to need to do a little bit of erasing. And don't worry, it's not going to be a big deal. It's going to be really easy, actually. So on the side of one body, I'm going to make a little dot so I can, on each side, so I can know where my tops are. And I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a long, skinny oval. And from here, and do another long, skinny oval. And then I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to erase this line right here. You see how our frog is kind of sitting there now? And ladies and gentlemen, we have one final step, and that's to give it some little froggy toes. Now, frog toes look a lot like lollipops, and that's how I'm going to make them. I'm going to draw a straight line with a ball on the end 3 times. And I'm going to do it on the other side as well. Ball, line, ball, line, ball. Now, because your toes are so close together, you might have to experiment a little bit with not letting your toes get crossed. I know, and my toes got a little bit crossed. I would have to work on this a little bit more to get it exactly where I wanted it. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the very basic idea of how you draw a frog. I hope that you experiment with trying to draw a frog yourself. Hopefully it'll be better than my frog. And if you do draw a frog, send me a picture. I think that would be amazing to see what kind of stuff you're drawing along with me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button also at the bottom of this page. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. I really appreciate all of you who have been supporting me. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.